Hello everybody, this is how to make an keyblade. Yeah, two of these, one of these, two of these, two of these or anything else. This is a simple one, and one of these, and one of these. And here's organization. 13, you know, Kingdom Hearts guy in Lego, and this is Lego too. Yeah, but anyway, let's, oops. Wait, you stand up. Weirdo thing. Just these two is setting on to this one, and then you're going to use this part like that, put it on. I'm using one hand, so pretty quick. Oh, now we have this, and you just put on this like that. Then you put in these two on. Whoa. Oops. It's like midnight, so it shouldn't be up. But now it's dark, I know. Now it's done. There's me, Baby Roger, Lego. So, I think that was all. And this one is pretty nice. Yeah. Oh God, I'm sleeping. Okay, bye.